Right, good morning everyone. Today we're out in Bootle. We're at the Liverpool Road Bridge. So nobody's picked this one. I've chose this location, but it's not my pick this week. But I was going to go back to Altrincham, but we ended up coming here instead. We've got Jay just next to us setting up here. I'm going to set up just here. Got Jay's mate all the way from London town.
Hello.
Jay's just found a surface find. Nice little fishing lure straight on the bank. Next to him, not seen this man for a few weeks. We got Steve.
Morning.
From Blackpool. He's had a surface find as well, some scaffolding. Head through here. And we got, oh that was good timing, we got Dave and we got Karen from Anglesey.
Oh. Morning.
You alright? We got Moa, we know Moa. We got Alistair. You alright? There's the green rope from online. If you do want anything, go and give it a look. We got Trace, we got Alan and the dog. Next to them we got Sue.
We was here 2 hours ago.
Yeah, it's alright. I mean it's 9:30 now, I'm a bit later than normal.
Yeah.
We got Paul, everybody knows Paul.
How's it going? Marvellous.
There we go. We got Tim.
Hello, sir.
There we go. And that rounds up everybody here at the minute. We're expecting one more. Had a gentleman inbox me last night asking to come along, so we'll see if he comes up. And then we've got Dan and Tori to come as well. So get set up now and I'll bring you back shortly. Right, so I've had half a dozen duck dips or so now. So in the bucket there, got a few random bars. Looks like that's drop links off a car. Bit of a fence pin. Come over here, we got a pile of stuff. We've got a bit of angle iron, little metal bar, bits of rebar, a sign, and then on there at the minute, my magnets in that. No idea. All I can see is a crook lock, which is there, lump hammer, which is there. And then some random metal bars, but we'll come back to that in a minute. And then over there, bit of square profile. This is a big lump of metal, probably was a sign or something at some point. And then little pile of plastics. So let's see what we got here. Get all the plastics out of the way. More plastics. So we got a little pole, crook lock, big piece of rebar, little pipe of some description, we got a piece of steel plate. And then we got our ammo. So let's dunk that in. Dunk it in, clean it up a little bit. Looks a bit like a dead shot ammo. Steve's happy with summit. So nice little, yeah, I think it is a dead shot ammo looking at it. Let's keep the camera rolling and let's see what Steve's got. Oh! Oh, so that's the same as what I've got. That's a multi-shot air pistol.
I was going to say it's
so that cocks forward. You pull that back a little bit, that cocks forward and you load the pellets in the back.
Oh yeah,
I've got the identical one at home.
The G10, like a G10.
I will let you know what it is. Fantastic little find there. Right, so I've just pulled this out. It's a traffic island little sign, like a crossing sign or whatever. Don't know if you can see, there's an arrow just there pointing that way. The base of it is what's metal. So I pulled it out, it was absolutely full of water. It took me, Jay, and Jay's mate to get it out. Mine and Jay's magnet, a couple of hands on it, and we managed to get it. Right, so I've got a massive, must be 15 foot, something like that, like RSJ. Absolutely massive, so that'll be getting cut up and put in my van very nicely. I'm getting more bits of a shopping trolley. Got a sledgehammer just down there.
If you clean it all up.
Parts of a trolley. All little bits like that. And then just cast bits and bits of rebar, bits of pipe. Got a few more rebar and scaffolding over here as well. Right, so nice big long scaffolding pole. Bottom half of a shopping trolley. I think I've shown you most of this. Jay and Simon's over there, they're getting a few bits. We've got a handle off a bow saw, a box off something. I'd say it looked a bit like a kid's toy, I don't know, maybe like a doll's house, something like that, no idea. Maybe a ship actually, with the way it looks. Some angle iron, some more poles and whatever. But my best find, legit Swiss Army knife. So I'm going to get this home. As you can see, it's still silver underneath there, so I'm going to get it home, try and clean it up. Still got the bits in the end, so toothpick and tweezers. So nice, liking that. Oh, excuse me, liking that. Used, shall we say, and then nice chopper, nice big meat cleaver, lovely. Right, so I just got a mystery bag. I had to get me grapple out to get it. I got me magnet through one of the handles and then it fell back in. I was like, oh, there's something good there. So anyway, I've pulled it out again. There's nothing too exciting in there. There's a load of Xbox games, and there's an Xbox 360, all the cables, no pads though, that's a strange one. But yeah, all the cables for it are in there, even a pad charging wire. But yeah, no pads, bit strange that one. All the cables, loads of games in the side pocket there. But that's it. So yeah, madness. Right, so I've worked out it's hammer time today. So I've got a sledgehammer with a broken handle, just got a lump hammer, and earlier on this morning I got a dead shot hammer. So it's hammer time today. Been getting some scaffold clamps. There's my Xbox. Bits of shopping trolley. Random metal bar. And then what else we had? We had some bits over here. So we got this bit here is in a Z shape with some wire or something wrapped around the top of it. Just there. I think that's about it. A couple of random metal bars, road pins, stuff like that. So yeah, mad today. Absolutely mad. Right, so another fantastic day in Liverpool for the Northwest crew. As you can see here, we've cleaned everything down as best we can. You're not going to get rid of marks like that. So yeah, absolutely fantastic day. I'll show you a little video of the back of my van in a minute. It is rammed again. But yeah, absolutely terrific day. Been joined by a few people today, Dave and Karen from Anglesey, and also Neil, which is a guy that got in contact with me on Facebook asking if he could tag along. Said absolutely not a problem. Other than that, yeah, not a bad day at all. Don't forget I am affiliated with Online Magnets. If you do want any magnets, grappling hooks, anything like that, rope, then head on over to onlinemagnets.co.uk and see what they've got on offer there. Got some fantastic gear, magnets, grappling hooks, all the rest of it. And don't forget my code AJ10, that'll get you 10% off. Right, take it easy everyone, thanks for joining, enjoy the pictures at the end of the video, I'll see you on the next one.